Hello and welcome to a quick installation steps video. My name is Jeremiah and I'm the Technical Support Training Manager at Win911. So real quick agenda, first thing you want to do is review the install checklist and make sure that you have the local admin account prepared. You can see all about this and other topics in our documentation page and a webinar all about installation tips and tricks at win911.com/webinars. Once you get that squared away and you're ready with your account, locate the zip file for Win911 installation media. This could be downloaded from the website or maybe also shipped to you on a USB drive. So really your two options. Once you find that file, go ahead and unzip it. You run the Win911 install.exe and follow the prompts until all the modules are installed and a reboot will be required. That's about it. So we're going to go through a demo and I'll show you what that looks like really quick. We're not going to do the full installation. Also, just some resources, they'll be linked below as well for distributed install information. We have a KB on that. Documentation page, you can see that here in the screenshot. That's where the install checklists are. How-to videos and webinars. Okay, so I'm here on my VM and just downloaded Win911 version 4.19.24, for example. Here's a zip file. So you're going to go ahead and extract that. Right-click Extract All. Here's the folder it's going to go to. And we'll wait for this to extract. Okay, now that that is extracted, took a couple of minutes. Go ahead and open the folder, and this is the file you're looking for to run, win911 install.exe. And we run that. That's going to start the installation for you. Thanks for watching.